Hello, welcome to Microplanet Artsy. Nice to see you again. First of all, let me thank all of you guys for the 450 subs. This means a lot to me. Even though the human doesn't show, he is very grateful, so thank you very much. In this video, we will put the MN333 and the JXC LR1801 to the test. Can they conquer the rock climb? Let's see who wins. Sit back and enjoy.
Hello and welcome to Microplanet RC. Today we are outside underneath the sky. So, as you know, maybe not, I got the flu the other week, so I was unable to go outside. But today I am out with my two latest acquisition on the 1/18 scale, the GXC LR1801 and the MN333 that has some new upgrades to it. So this is full stock. I'm just trying it out here. The course is this rock path and a bit of mud. You know, I am going to try the mud, of course. The MN333, I have these tires, these wheels and tires. The tires, I don't remember the make, but I will put on the screen. They are look like the original ones, but they are a bit softer. The wheels are metal. The suspension is a 0RC 53 millimeters. So she is very capable now. So let's try them out here on this bit of track, and you can also try this track yourself, because I have it marked on Bash Maps. But if you don't know what Bash Maps is...
Here, allow me. Bash Maps is the app focused only for the RC enthusiast. You can mark your favorite tracks and share them. You also can create your own garage, host on the community tab, and sell your old stuff on the marketplace. It is everything you want on the palm of your hand, only RC content for you to enjoy. Be sure to give it a try. Download the app by scanning the QR code on the screen.
So the challenge is to go up these rocks and see which one of these can conquer this little hill. My MN's already done it, the 112s. So let's see what the MN333 can do. Again, it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Okay. Let's go to the fun part here. is always on the back side. Okay. What a challenge to get here, okay? Oh God, no. Didn't break anything. Okay. Let's try this again. God, I think it's too much for the little Unimog, too much for the little mug. Well, let me see if I can put the camera in a way that I can do this. Okay. Doing this one-handed, it's so difficult. Okay, she's doing it. Okay. Oh my God, she's tackling it. She's doing it. My camera hand is hurting. Okay. Let me see if I can do this. That stone there, it's not in the best location. Let me see if I can. Okay. Come on, little mug. Oh my God. She's doing it. Little mug. Get up. Let's just shift a little bit. Okay. That this top side here is a bit rough. A bit rough. Okay. another hand of the gods. Okay, let's do this really slow. Come on, baby. Oh no! Okay, one last try from down there. Now that part here is a bit tricky. Okay, okay. To the other side. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I am excited. Oh no. She did it. MN333 just conquered. Just tackled the challenge. Nice. MN333 just tackled the challenge, of course with a little help, but that's of course a bit my fault, because I am driving one-handed and it's a bit difficult. Excuses. Let me shut her down for a bit. Now it's time for the GXC. The GXC, it's going to tackle the mountain. All right, the same route with the GXC. Let's see, it's in low range. So far, so good. Mind that MN333 had a few challenges with that. This one did it with no problem. That servo is sounding a bit shitty to me. Oh, okay. Of course it needs a bit of weight. Light on the wheels. What's going on? Small wheels. What's going on? It's the small wheels. The small wheels and the lightweight. It's also very light. Okay, one more try. Let's try this line. Okay. This stuff of getting spewing the battery, it's getting old now and getting a bit mad. Okay, let's see if you can go off over this. Clearly needs some weight on the front. Now the MN is bit heavier, so she did a quick work of this challenge here. Okay, let's cheat a bit. Okay, let's, of course, that's the, of course, we already know who won this, so let's try a bit more. Let's see. Let's see what this can do on this part of the challenge. Okay, of course this is not upgraded in any way. So we already know it needs a bit more weight on the front part. It needs shocks. But it's not doing very badly on this zone. It needs a bit more clearance. It's doing not terrible. The control is good. Okay. you go. Another tumble. Another battery spewing out. It loves to spew out the battery. Okay. As we were. Okay, it's gonna do it. Come on, be a good defender. No! Let me just help it a little bit here. Okay, come on, little D. Doing this one hand, I forgot my camera stuff, so I'm doing this one-handed. Okay, a little, call me a cheater, okay? You can come here, I have this mark on bash maps once again, so you can come here and shoot your way. Okay. Come on, boy. I don't know if I'm filming this or not. Let's turn around. It has potential. It has a little potential on it. It has a little potential. So it's a bit light. On the climbs, it doesn't climb very nicely on that part there. It was a bit, as you're going, it was a bit sketchy there. So I don't like also the part that it coughs off the battery every time it tumbles. Okay, to wrap this up, we all know who's the winner here. That's the MN333, not only in the looks department, because that paint job is my own. There is no other MN333 like this one. You can bet your ass on that. And the GXC, of course, it has potential, lots of it. It's a bit light on the front, a bit heavy on the top. So, it didn't clear this part of the track, and yeah, so big winner MN333, but not far behind the GXC LR1801, new acquisition, the new release from GXC. So yeah, for 50 euros you can't go wrong with this. You can upgrade it, you can make it your own, just like I did with the MN333. And that's it for now, guys. Leave me a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, follow me on Bash Maps, and that's all for now, guys. See you on the next one.
Goodbye for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Microplanet RC, small scale, big passion.